Hey beauties, it's your girl Asia. Thanks for checking back into my channel. And I'm back with this pink beauty. You guys are gonna love this one. Her name is Siena and she is super affordable. The construction on this wig is pretty decent to be such a low cost unit. There are combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with an adjustable strap. The only downside to this unit is that it is a full wig, therefore there's only lace down the middle. One tip I can give you guys is that I went to my local beauty supply store and I tried this wig on, and then I decided to order it online because you can always find it online for a fraction of the cost. Now guys, I hate a middle part, so I'm just going to shift this wig to the side so that I can wear this rocking a side part instead. Now this part is totally optional. If you want, you can create a slight curve in the front if you decide to wear your wig to the side like I did. However, for the sake of the video, I decided to just leave it as is because it would require just a little bit of plucking to the part so that it blends in with the rest of the part. Since I don't like leaving any of my hair out when I wear wigs, I'm going to create some baby hairs with this unit. A word of caution is that the hair on synthetic wigs is a lot harder to tame than human hair, so it will require a little bit more patience. I'm using my Eco Styling Gel to lay the baby hairs down, only because I could not find my Gots to Be glue gel. However, if you do have Gots to Be glue gel, it would be a better option because I did have to reapply this gel later on in this video. Now this is just a personal preference. I'm going to pluck this part just a little bit, not to make it whiter, but to add some jagged edges to the part. I think when the part is super straight, it's not realistic, and this will help it look a little bit more natural. Next, you'll want to add some concealer or face powder to the part to help it blend in with your complexion. So I'm using this curling wand to flatten the hair at the roots. In my opinion, that's what makes most wigs look wiggy, is when the hair doesn't lay flat at the beginning of the part. And you'll notice that as I flatten it at the part, it takes on a more natural look. One downside of adding heat to a synthetic wig is that it does make it appear more shiny. To combat the shine in a synthetic wig, you can spray dry shampoo on the hair, or you can spray just regular hairspray, and that will help remove the shine. Also, rubbing it with a fabric softener drying sheet works as well. So the curls are pretty tight on this wig, so I'm trying to loosen it up and decided to shake it out. Bad idea. And as I mentioned previously, I'm just reapplying this gel because it did not lay right the first time. This time I'm going to reinforce the baby hair by spraying some Gots to Be glue on top. I love it. Living outside of my comfort zone and trying colors. What colors do you guys think I should try next? Let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.